Blog posts can become outdated due to shifts in industry standards, technological advancements, and changing audience interests. Understanding these dynamics is crucial to keeping your content fresh and engaging. To revitalize your blog, start by identifying outdated posts. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to analyze traffic, bounce rates, and engagement metrics. Evaluate content accuracy and relevance to ensure your posts meet current standards. Revamping outdated posts involves updating information, fixing broken links, and optimizing for search engines. To transform old content into valuable assets, incorporate new insights and trends, revise data, and enhance visuals. Consider repurposing outdated posts into videos, podcasts, or infographics. This approach broadens your reach and caters to diverse audience preferences. Use tools like pictory.ai for video content or Anchor for podcasts to create engaging multimedia content. Keep a schedule for your content and check it often to stay current. Set up alerts for industry changes to stay informed and proactive. Refreshing outdated blog posts enhances user engagement and boosts SEO. Managing old content effectively transforms your blog into a dynamic hub. Act now to revamp your post and maintain a vibrant, engaging blog. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.